when you join, so how an investment space works is entirely different. It's a different ecosystem altogether. Um, and it's a place where we're all wanting to be, right? The buy side. It's the kind of profession that I wanted to be when I was back in college, always dreaming to be part of VCP ecosystem. So there was a lot of baggage already in the mindset that whether or not I deserve to be part of the VC or the PE ecosystem. And once you get in, you have you set your standards really high, and there is a learning curve, and it's a progress, and it's a process, and you would not know answers. You will not have answers to all of the questions on day one, right? But gradually you would learn. Gradually you would have a sense of what works, what doesn't work, and that's what has been my journey like, right? So today that's not the case anymore. I do have my point of views, I do have my opinions, and all of those are being appreciated by the entire investment team. We all sit together while discussing every investment, while discussing every company that we've separately spoken with. And never in any of the discussions we've highlighted women entrepreneurs. We do talk about a lot about founders, especially when you are investing in early stage businesses. Founders or the leadership team does play a key role while deciding whether or not you want to go ahead with the investment. So the team is extremely important. But uh, we've never had a discussion where we're just talking about gender, or we're talking about male founder or female founder. We've never really coined that term ever since, And I must say that, all of the businesses that I'm talking about, especially the one that have women in the forefront, all of them are doing exceptionally well. Some of them have also given us really exemplary returns. I think a lot has changed over the last decade, right? Now we have examples of multi-dollar businesses being created by women entrepreneurs, right? And that has actually created, a path for other aspiring women entrepreneurs to follow. That has opened doors because that has given confidence in investors also that it's no longer a gender bias, or we don't really have to stereotype a founder.